Hi everyone, welcome back to the final chapter of our Generative AI tutorial. In this series, we have learned about some of the most important concepts in Generative AI, from prompt engineering and retrieval augmented generation to LangChain, LangGraph, and some agentic system. Now, we shift our focuses to what lie ahead, future of Generative AI. In this module is about exploring how these techniques are shaping the future of work, creativity, learning, and innovation. It's not science fiction. It is happening now. Let's dive in. In this module, we are going to learn about the capabilities of LLM, some real world use cases, and how someone with no technical background can also write code with the help of AI, and at last some career options. So let us start with capabilities of LLM and agentic systems. Large language models or LLM have come a long way from just completing your sentences. They now multimodal, which means they can process not only text but also image, videos, or even they can generate code. Take ChatGPT 4 for example. It can hear, it can speak, it can write. That's a huge leap in how human and machine interacted before. We can also use LLMs as our assistants during a research or anything else. But what even more transformative is the risk of agentic system. But what's even more transformative is the risk of agentic system. Model that doesn't just respond but act. Think of agent that can research the web, query database, call APIs, or even reason over multiple steps. With the help of LangChain and LangGraph, you can build state-aware agents that can change their behavior based on memory or feedback loop. For example, an AI researcher agent could independently run lecture searches, summarize findings, and propose hypotheses for testing. This is not just intelligence, it is optional intelligence. Those LLM models are continuously improving. They can automatically complete tasks without a human interference, and they can also help in solving real world problems. So agents powered by LLMs are much more powerful than we thought. They can perform iterative reasoning, they can learn from their feedbacks, and they can use tools such as API calls, databases, and vector stores. For example, imagine a tech support chatbot built with LangChain. It doesn't just answer FAQs. It searches internal knowledge base using RAG pipeline, determine user intent, and can even escalate issue with an automated generated summary for human review. Or take a legal assistant agent. It can review documents, cross-reference past ruling, and summarize legal risk, all autonomously. This is where problem solving meets autonomy. You are not programming step-by-step solution. You are giving the system tools and it figure out the path. That's the power of agent.